Hey, beloved, I just wanted to let you know we're having some really super powerful solar storms right now. And they could be affecting electronics, they could be affecting your ability to communicate via anything, cell or internet or whatever, depending on where you are on the planet and how it's hitting. And I just want you to know, in case we are unable to connect for whatever reason for our activation, for our transmission that is happening on the 1st of December, I want you to know that you will still receive it, and I will send you the recording as soon as things are up. Again, if they're down, for me, and possibly for you too. So there's no worries. You cannot miss out on this, and you cannot mess it up. This is direct transmission. We united our spirit and soul levels, and we bring down into this experience, into this embodiment, into this body of experience, this embodiment, that most necessary, what will support you the greatest right now. So no worries, no worries. I love you so much.